The first day that I used it, by mistake, I left it on. When I came next day around, I don't know, midday, the machine was still on and it still had 1 bar of battery. So I was looking through this instructions, and it says here, shutdown, automatic shutdown. So I was trying to figure out how you do it. It says here main menu, settings. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the main menu. Let's see if we can do this. Main menu. What did you say? 5? So the first one says language. The second one, ink intensity. The third one, printing speed. Next one, paper type. And then automatic shutdown. So here we go. 1, language. 2, I can't read. Oh, whatever. What did it say? Printing speed. Okay. Language, something, speed, paper type, power off, 5 minutes. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, off. 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24-hour, no close. Okay, off. 15 minutes. Oh, I passed it. I wanted to do 5. Okay, wait. 8, 24 hours. There, 5 minutes. So if I leave it on again, it's going to shut off at 5 minutes. So now I'm not going to have that issue again. And then you have, okay, line 3, 4, 5. Store settings. That was the last one. Factory reset. Okay. I just wanted to show you that.